medyo mahaba. In William Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice, Portia, the judge, said, "The quality of mercy is not strained. It drippeth as the gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives him that takes. 'Tis mightier than the mightiest, and one is likened to God when mercy seasons justice. The main thought of the excerpt is that mercy is only for deserving. B, mercy is limited in extent. C, mercy is spontaneous and freely given. D, mercy comes from the rain." May nagsasagot ng letters. Pare-pares letter C. Sure na ba sa letter C? Oh, we have a lot of SPLE takers from Hong Kong. Ayan. I really hope po na you will pass your licensure examination with a high rating or with flying colors. Ayan, nakakatuwa. Ano pong sagot natin for question 6? Letter C, majority letter C. Tamang sagot po for number 16 is letter C. So mercy is spontaneous and freely given. Why? Sabi niya kasi, the quality of mercy is not strained. So, ibig sabihin po ng strained, di ba? Something that is controlled, something that is forced. So, kapag sinabi mong not strained, it comes naturally. No? Ayan. The gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. So, the rain falls freely or naturally. Parang si mercy, no? Parang yung awa. So, mercy is spontaneous and freely given. So, kusa po siya, no? Ayan. So, it is unconditional. Kusa siya. Okay? That would be letter C. Very good. Okay. Here naman po, no, I will be giving you different statements, no? Ayan, kasi po si Shakespeare, nagiging paborito rin po yan ni PRC. Kapag merong English, meron ding Shakespeare. So, ito po yung mga iba't ibang linya na makikita po sa kanyang mga famous na books, no? Ito na lang po yung tatandaan natin para hindi na natin itatandaan or i-memorize yung buong mga excerpt, no? So, let's just remember keywords. Kapag ang lumabas sa board exam ay ang linya na ito, all that glitters is not gold, yan po ay galing sa kanyang play na Merchant of Venice. O, keyword na lang natin or visualize na lang natin. Halimbawa, merong gold sa Venice, no? Sa Venice Canal, no? Ayan, Merchant of Venice. Next, As You Like It. Ang comedy play niya naman na As You Like It ay gumamit ng linya na all the world's a stage, no? So just imagine whether you like it or not, no? So do you want to be on stage or not, no? As you like it. So ayan, ano natin, mnemonic natin. So all the world's a stage. Next, Macbeth. Keyword natin dito, walking shadow. Pag narinig ang walking shadow, yan po ay galing sa kanyang tragedy play or tragic play na Macbeth. Romeo and Juliet. Ang Romeo and Juliet, di ba? Famous work po yan ni Shakespeare na love tragedy. So, kapag ginamit ang salitang nightingale, yung ibon na nightingale, that's under Romeo and Juliet. Another famous line, if you prick us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? Ayan po ay galing din sa Merchant of Venice. Okay? Ayan. So, yung mga keywords na lang po, no?